Welcome to our channel. Today we how to uninstall Marketo program tracking from landing pages step by step clearly. To uninstall Marketo program tracking from your landing pages, begin by logging into your Marketo account. Navigate to the admin section located in the upper right corner of the dashboard. In the admin section, select the integration tab from the side menu. Next, click on Munchkin to access the Munchkin settings. Locate the Munchkin tracking code. Copy this code for reference, as you may need it if you wish to re-enable tracking in the future. Now, return to your landing page builder, which could be within your content management system or another platform. Access the HTML or source code view of the landing page you wish to modify. Look for the section where the Munchkin tracking code is implemented, usually found in the header. Delete the entire Munchkin tracking code snippet from the header. Next, check if there are any other scripts related to Marketo embedded in the page. Remove these additional scripts to ensure no remnants of the tracking remain. Once you have removed all relevant code, preview your landing page to confirm that it functions properly without the tracking. Publish the changes to your landing page. Lastly, verify that Marketo no longer tracks the page by checking your Marketo analytics. By following these steps, you will successfully uninstall Marketo program tracking from your landing pages. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.